how to transfer Instagram account from one phone to another. So if you want to transfer Instagram account from one phone to another, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Instagram on your first device. After that, go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, go with the top right, which has that three horizontal lines, and then scroll down. You will have logout section. Tap on logout and tap on logout again, and this is what you need to do on your first device. And on the second device or on the other phone, what you need to do is open up your Instagram and then go with login section. Once you go with the login, it will ask you for the username, email and mobile number, so provide the details and then enter your password and go with login and log in to the same account on your other device. After entering your credentials, it will log you into your account. In this way, you'll be able to log out or log in to your Instagram from one phone to another, but you don't have a particular option to transfer your account, but you can use this method. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.